I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Johnson.
Sure. Do you have a preferred date and time?
Yes, I was hoping to come in sometime next week. Maybe Tuesday or Wednesday afternoon.
Let me check. How about Tuesday at 2 p.m. or Wednesday at 4 p.m.?
Either of those times works for me. Can I make the appointment for Tuesday at 2 p.m.?
Of course. And can I have your name and date of birth, please?
My name is John Smith and my date of birth is June 15th, 1985.
Great, thank you. Is this appointment for a specific reason or just a general checkup?
It's for a general checkup. I haven't been to the doctor in a while and want to make sure everything's okay.
Okay, got it. And do you have any health insurance?
Yes, I do. I have Blue Cross Blue Shield.
Perfect. We accept Blue Cross Blue Shield. Just bring your insurance card with you to your appointment.
Will do. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We look forward to seeing you next Tuesday at 2 p.m.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor, please.
Of course. Can you tell me your name and the reason for your visit?
My name is John Smith, and I've been having some chest pain and shortness of breath lately.
Okay, that sounds like something we need to have checked out right away. Do you have a preferred date and time for your appointment?
Well, I work during the day, so I was hoping for an evening or weekend appointment if possible.
Let me check our schedule. How about next Thursday at 6 p.m.?
That works for me.
Great. I just need a bit more information from you before we can finalize the appointment. Do you have insurance?
Yes, I have Blue Cross.
Okay, we accept Blue Cross. Can you please give me your insurance policy number?
Sure, it's 123456789.
Perfect. One more thing, we require a $50 deposit to confirm your appointment. You can pay over the phone or in person when you arrive for your visit.
Okay, I'll pay over the phone. Can you give me the total cost for the appointment?
The cost will depend on your insurance coverage, but typically a first-time visit with a doctor for a new issue like yours will cost around $150 to $200.
Okay, that's good to know. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, John. We look forward to seeing you next Thursday at 6 p.m. If you have any questions or need to reschedule, just give us a call.
Hello, can I make an appointment with a doctor, please?
Yes, of course. Do you have a particular doctor in mind or would you like us to recommend one for you?
I don't have a preference. Could you recommend one for me?
Sure. We have a few doctors available. Are you looking for a general practitioner or a specialist?
I think I need to see a specialist.
Okay, we have a few different specialists. What kind of problem are you experiencing?
I have been having trouble with my back.
All right, we have a few different specialists who can help with that. How soon were you hoping to see a doctor?
As soon as possible, please.
Okay, let me check our schedule. We have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. with Dr. Johnson. Does that work for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Great. Can I have your name, please?
My name is John.
And can I have your date of birth and phone number, please?
My date of birth is March 1st, 1990 and my phone number is 555-1234.
Perfect, thank you. Dr. Johnson's office is located at 123 Main Street. When you arrive, please bring your insurance information and a form of identification. Is there anything else you need to know before your appointment?
No, I think that's it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, John. We'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. If you have any questions before then, don't hesitate to give us a call. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too. Hi, I need to see a doctor. Can you help me make an appointment?
Yes, of course. What's the reason for your visit?
I've been feeling really sick lately. I have a fever and a cough.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. We'll get you in to see a doctor as soon as possible. Can you tell me your name and date of birth?
My name is John Smith and my date of birth is January 1st, 1985.
Great, thank you. Do you have any insurance?
Yes, I have insurance through my job.
Okay, we'll need your insurance information when you come in for your appointment. Now, do you have a preference for which doctor you'd like to see?
No, I don't know any of the doctors here.
That's okay. We have several doctors available who can help you. I'll book you in to see Dr. Johnson. He's available tomorrow at 2 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's fine.
Great. When you come in for your appointment, please bring your insurance card and a form of identification. Dr. Johnson's office is located at 123 Main Street. Is there anything else you need to know?
No, I think that's it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Get well soon.
Thank you, I will.
Hello, I need to make an appointment to see a doctor. Can you help me with that?
Yes, of course. What's the reason for your visit?
I have been having a lot of pain in my stomach and I think I might have a fever.
I'm sorry to hear that. We'll get you in to see a doctor as soon as possible. Can you tell me your name and date of birth?
My name is Maria Rodriguez and my date of birth is May 3rd, 1990.
Thank you. Do you have any insurance?
Yes, I have insurance through my work.
Okay, we'll need your insurance information when you come in for your appointment. Now, would you like to see a general practitioner or a specialist?
I'm not sure. What do you recommend?
Well, if you're experiencing stomach pain, it might be a good idea to see a gastroenterologist. Would you like me to book you in to see one of our gastroenterologists?
Yes, I think that would be a good idea.
All right, let me check the schedule. Dr. Lee is available tomorrow at 11 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. When you come in for your appointment, please bring your insurance card and a form of identification. Dr. Lee's office is located at 456 Main Street. Is there anything else you need to know?
No, I think that's it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. We'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor, please.
Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. Can I have your name and date of birth, please?
Yes, my name is John Smith and my date of birth is May 3rd, 1980.
Great, thank you. And what's the reason for your visit?
I've been feeling really sick for the past few days and I'm not getting any better, so I think I need to see a doctor.
I'm sorry to hear that. Have you been experiencing any specific symptoms?
Yes, I have a high fever, a cough, and I'm really congested. I also have a headache and body aches.
Okay, That sounds like you might have a respiratory infection. Let me check the doctor's schedule to see when we can fit you in. How about next Wednesday at 10 a.m.?
That works for me. What do I need to bring to the appointment?
You'll need to bring your insurance card and a photo ID. And if you have any previous medical records, it's always helpful to bring those as well.
Okay, I'll make sure to bring those. How long will the appointment take?
The initial appointment usually takes about 30 minutes, but it might be longer if the doctor needs to do any tests or procedures.
Okay, that's good to know. Thank you for your help.
No problem. We'll see you next Wednesday at 10 a.m. If you have any questions or need to reschedule, just give us a call.